In fiscal year 2017, the FBI reported that there was nearly $1 billion in funds diverted or that were attempted to be diverted by wire fraud in real estate transactions. So you need to make sure that you understand what wire fraud is, how it happens, and how you can protect yourself and your clients from wire fraud. So what is wire fraud and how does it work? Well, the way this works is that a criminal, right before closing, has compromised either your email or somebody from the title company, and they send fraudulent wiring instructions to the buyer. So when they go to transfer their funds for closing, they send it to a fraudulent bank account, and that money is stolen, gone, and almost impossible to recover. So you have to be proactive and practice good safety to make sure that you are protecting yourself and your clients. Step 1 is to not send wiring instructions through email, and make sure you have a conversation with your client that they will not be receiving wiring instructions over email. Step 2 is to make sure that you are practicing good internet safety. You need to have complex passwords and different passwords for your email and every other login that you have. You also need to make sure, as always, that you're being careful with attachments on emails and links in emails. Those are just a couple basic tips to protect yourself and your clients from wire fraud. But there's so much more that you can do, and there's so much more that you need to know about this subject. This is something that's happening in Oklahoma, so you need to make sure you're paying attention and being careful. To find out more about what you can do to protect yourself, a little bit more about what wire fraud is, and the profound impact that it is having on the real estate industry, I want you to listen to Oklahoma Association of Realtors' new podcast. You can download that by going to iTunes, Google Play, or wherever you get your podcasts and searching for Talking Real by the Oklahoma Association of Realtors. You can also check the information below this video for a link. So make sure that you're being careful, make sure that you're educating yourself, and listen to the new podcast that'll tell you everything that you need to know to be safe and avoid wire fraud.